What am I doing? I'm making a magic potion!
Hi, Maggie.
Oh, hi, Mishi!
Hello.
Hee-hee.
I want to dress up as a witch,
Ooh.
but I don't like my dress.
Oh, Mishi, we can just change the colour.
Oh, yes, with our magic spell.
Yeah.
Great idea, Maggie. Can you help us? There are some special actions we can practice together. First, take a spoon and stir the potion round and round and round. You got it. Next, show me your fingers and wiggle up and down. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And last, we need to clap. Can you clap? Ready, steady, go. Clap, 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 clap. You've got it. Now we're ready to sing.
Oh, don't forget the magic powder, Mishi.
Oh, yes.
Abracadabra! Hee-hee.
Stir the potion round and round. Wiggle our fingers up and down. Clap our hands, 1, 2, 3, and look what we can see. Whoa! It worked!
Yeah.
What colour is my dress?
Hee-hee.
It's green.
Yeah.
Ugh, it's green.
Uh-oh.
Maggie, I look like a frog.
Oh, dear.
Do you like my green dress? I don't like it. Maggie,
Yeah?
can we try again?
Okay. Abracadabra! Hee-hee-hee. Yeah.
Stir the potion round and round. Wiggle our fingers up and down. Clap our hands, 1, 2, 3, and look what we can see. Wow!
Hee-hee.
What colour's my dress now?
Woo.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Orange is okay, I guess. Do you like my orange dress? I think I look like a pumpkin. Maggie,
Yeah.
please, can we try just one more time?
Okay. Abracadabra! Hee-hee-hee.
Stir the potion round and round. Wiggle our fingers up and down. Clap our hands, 1, 2, 3, and look what we can see. Wow!
Hee-hee.
Look!
Yeah.
What colour is my dress now?
I know.
It's purple!
Woo.
Do you like my purple dress?
Oh, yeah.
I love it! Thank you, Maggie!
You're welcome.
Now I'm ready to be a witch!
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Happy Halloween!